Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper of Monday. Yeah, it's actually today, Monday, February the 20th, 2023. I've showed you there are no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the additional of the Saturday edition. Yeah, Saturday Sunday edition. Well, this additional is from Sunday, and I will do later also the puzzle page of the Saturday edition. Okay, so here in this additional, two puzzles are left, but in the puzzle page we have also two puzzles. All right, Sudoku number two. Two Stars Sudoku, and this will be number 5993. 5993. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one had 20. No, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. One less than the previous Sudoku with letters. Here we have 27 letters. This one 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits in the puzzle, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have in a puzzle or in a puzzle a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have a 5 in the last row, and a 7 in this column. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5, 7, and a 7. So one is left in this big square for number 8. Alright. Okay, then 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this row, so no 2 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between, and the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 2, 7, 6. Let me see. 7, 2. Ay. 4, 4. Can I complete the 9s? No, we have a 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only three places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the third row, no 9 there, here 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2, 6, 6. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 7 and 8. 3 missing numbers now in the second column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay, so 1 digit left in this column for number 1. All right. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. All right. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4 in this row, first row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second row for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. All right. Okay, 7, 7. 7, 7. No 7 here. 7, 7, 7. Okay. 7. 7. Oh, 7. Let me think. 2, 2, 6, 6, 6, 2, 6, and that. Oh, 2, 6, and 7. 7. I need to think. 1, 1. Come on. 1, 6, and 7. 1, 6, and 7, 7. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in that box. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. 1 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But we can, but we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. I've marked this box and that box with a 7 and 5. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. So the 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 is left in this big square for number 5. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here 7 in that row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Okay. 8, 8. We have a pair. 5 and 8 in the last column. 5 and 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Okay. 1, 1. Alright. So 3. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there in this big square, here or there. We see a 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3, 3, okay. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, and look, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in this box. So 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the last row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see this is number 2 and 4. Alright. 8, 5. 8, 5, and 3. 6 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5. 1 box left in this first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Wow. 6 and a 1. 6 and a 1. Need a 1. Need a 1. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. Alright. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1. 2 is also missing here. 2, 2. 1, 2, and the 6. No 6 here. 6, 6. Well, 6 and 1, 6 and 1. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be in the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this row, third row for the number 1, the 2 is missing. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes here. 2 in the middle column, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Alright. Okay. How about the 2? Need a 2 here. 2, 2, 2. Then 3 and 8. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those. We have a pair here, a 3 and 8, there, a 3 and 8. That means these two missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 1. 1 box left in this last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. And the 5, oh no, not final 2 numbers, yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. Again, the 2 and the 6, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Well. I told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. No, not the last. The 3rd puzzle in this additional, yeah. Until then, bye-bye for now.